Guys, I said I would update tomorrow at 12 o'clock, but we just got out sooner than I thought, so guess I'll do the update right now. So when we got in there, it was really scary, but we heard the thing, we heard the sirens go off. It was scary, but we're all fine. The tornado passed us, which is I'm so happy for that. So it's kind of hard to. I was just in there playing some games on my phone, but still, no matter what, it was still scary. I don't really care what other people think. If they think it's scary, cool. If they don't, cool. To me, it's just scary because what if it hit us and stuff? So yeah, that's my story on being in the tornado shelter.